Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove the background from a photo in CapCut. We start by opening CapCut. Next, in the top Options menu, click on Expand and then on Remove Background. After that, we select our image and click on Add. After this, we will see that an automatic selection of the object is made, ignoring the background. If this selection is not correct, you can use the different selection tools in the lower menu to do it manually. After making the selection, you can click on the background option and choose a background for your image if you want, or leave it with a transparent background. You can also click on the cropped image and fit it to the final frame. Finally, we will click on Export and we can find our image without a background in the gallery. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.